Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a makeup that is suitable for a date night. So Matt and I have always been talking about going on dates, and I just thought like I would show you guys the kind of look I would go for when I want to go on a dinner date with him. So something a little bit more smoky and sultry, kind of sexy. You want your makeup to be flawless, very polished, but at the same time elegant, and more importantly, you want it to last throughout the night. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be prepping my skin with the Arden Super Start Skin Renewal Booster. So it comes in a little pump bottle like this. It's a very good serum that I have been loving. So I like to use this after I wash my face because it has a very light consistency, and I find that it helps to just absorb into my skin like super quickly. Makes my skin very soft and prep my skin for makeup. It's a very nice, pleasant scent as well, and it's not sticky, but rather it just kind of hydrates your skin and allow makeup to adhere onto it better. Then go in with a moisturizer. I'm just using the Privage Anti-Aging Moisture Cream. I love this series, especially the night one. It comes in a little cute squeezy tube like this, so you press the button and then the moisturizer just comes out at the side. It is a very effective moisturizer, especially the night cream. I highly recommend it, especially if you're in your mid-20s or in your 30s and anti-aging is on your top priority. It's very hydrating and very light as well. So now that our skin is prepped, let's go in with the makeup. Alright, let's start with a primer. I have been loving the Arden Flawless Start Instant Perfecting Primer. So this one actually helps to give you a very polished, flawless finish, and it makes your makeup last all day. So it looks like this, and it has kind of like a skin-like texture. So with primer, you just want to apply it on the areas where you actually need it. You don't want to go all out with it because it's kind of a waste, especially on areas that you don't need. So I like to put it on my cheeks, around the sides of my nose, where foundation always rubs off. On your forehead, if you tend to have forehead wrinkles. So you can see this side versus this side. This side is slightly more matte compared to this side, right? Okay, so now let's go on with the other side. So this primer not only helps to, make your makeup last longer, it also makes it look very perfect looking. So this is the kind of look that you want, especially when you're going out on a date. I'm gonna go in with this foundation. This is the Arden Flawless Finish Perfectly Satin 24 Hours Foundation. So I'm just gonna take a pump. The coverage is so full, but at the same time, it really gives you that very flawless skin finish. It's really good for partying because it lasts super long and it makes your skin look perfect. This foundation also layers very well, so all you have to do is just go in another layer at the areas where you think you need more coverage. So I just put on a very thin layer like this, and you can see it just instantly even out my skin tone, brighten it up, and it just looks flawless and just make my skin look really nice. So as you can see, this side looks so much better than this side. Okay, I'm just gonna cover the rest of the face. So before going in with the concealer, I'm gonna brighten my under eye using the Arden Flawless Finish Correcting and Highlighting Perfector. It's kind of like a click pen type of product where consistency of this color corrector is very light, so you don't actually feel that much. It doesn't conceal, but rather it helps to kind of hydrate it and make it brighter. So you do have to use concealer after that. I'm gonna go in with the new Stroke of Perfection Concealer from the new Drama Define collection. I love everything from this collection because it is all about the drama. It's all about grabbing the attention and being flawless. At the same time, it's up to you how you want to play with all these products, because you can go super dramatic, but you can also go really elegant and perfect. I love how creamy and smooth this is. And it kind of just fits my skin color super well, so you can see it's the perfect shade for me. It's very smooth, it blends really well, and it doesn't streak as well, so I really love this one. So let's set everything in place. This is the Arden High Performance Blurring Loose Powder in the shade Translucent. It looks so pretty. So at the top, you actually get a puff and a mirror. Load it up. and just set your face with it. So this loose powder is very fine, as you can see. It helps to blur all of your pores and your imperfection as well, just really bringing up the entire look to a whole new level of flawless. So usually when I go on date nights, I like to spend a lot more time on my base because I want my skin to look really good. I'm using this one. This is the beautiful color Brow Shaper and Eyeliner. This is kind of like a two-in-one product because you can use the powder for your eyeliner or for your brows, and it comes with two really cute applicators over here. Then I'm going to go in with the Elizabeth Arden Statement Brow. This is a brow gel with color. So you guys know I like to tint my brows because I think I look slightly fierce with my natural dark brows. So this one just kind of helps to keep my brows in place and just lighten the color by a tiny bit. I'm now going in with the eyeshadow trio, also from the new Drama Defined collection. I love the name of this shade because it is a wine color, and I think Merlot just kind of speaks date night to me. I love my red wines and I love to pair them with steak. And one of the favorite things man and I like to do is to go for like good steak. Just gonna go in with this middle shade over here. It's a very beautiful rose gold color. You can see how pigmented it is, guys. What? I think this is really a perfect like date night shade. You can definitely wear it, you know, a little bit more light-handed in the day because it's a very beautiful pinkish rose gold shade that would go well with your pinks, your purples, even your blacks and your whites. And I'm just bringing this color kind of quite high up into my brow bone. The eyeshadows are very easy to blend. They just are so good quality. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade, this plum shade over here. Taking a crease brush, be very careful and light-handed with this because it is quite pigmented. So I'm just going to bring this right across my lash line. We're kind of going for a smoky look today, so you don't have to be very precise with it. Just gotta make sure that you choose a good quality eyeshadow and spend some time blending it out. Bringing the shadow and giving it kind of like a very soft wing. I love that this shadow, even though it's so creamy and buttery, it doesn't have that much fallouts as well. So it's very pigmented and very easy to blend. I hope you guys can see how nice the shadows are like in the camera. In person, it's just so easy to blend. It just has that really nice gradient. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that rose gold shade and just kind of amp it up a little bit more. And blend it in with the purple gradient. Okay. I'm then also going to be taking the same two shades, the rose gold and the plum, on my lower lash line. So I chose this high drama eyeliner in the shade Espresso, and it's also from the new Drama Defined collection. I chose brown because I feel that it complements my plum very well. And I love this eyeliner because it is very creamy, very pigmented, and it also comes with like a dual-ended sponge on the other side to give you that smoky look. I'm just winging my eyeliner up, like so. Then I'm going to go in with the black color of the same eyeliner to just kind of define it a little bit more because I like it more defined and sultry. What I will do with the black liner is to go in just tight line. I'm using the Standing Ovation mascara, also from the same collection. I love everything from this collection, especially this one because look at the wand, it just gives you so much more volume. I like that this mascara doesn't actually really clump your lashes, but it just gives you that definition, and it's pretty black and opaque. So it just lengthens, volumizes, so you can see the difference. Then I'm going to go in with falsies. I have here some super dramatic ones from Bangkok. Super dramatic. I'm gonna go in with a nude eyeliner. This is Bright Eye 03 High Drama, also from the same collection. I love this one because it is so pigmented. You guys know how hard it is to find like nude eyeliners that actually show up. So I'm just gonna go in with my waterline to open up my eyes. I'm gonna go in with bronzing my face. I'm using this gorgeous Sunset Bronze Prismatic Bronzing Powder in the shade Warm Bronze. This bronzer is a very nice and natural bronzer. Just gonna kind of contour and also kind of give me that very sexy bronze look. It also has a little bit of light shimmer in there, but it's nothing too crazy. Likewise, this powder is very easy to blend. You don't really see that much like harsh edges. I have here with me the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide Cream Blush in the shade Honey. I love this shade, guys. So this is a cream blush, which I'm just going to apply on my face. I think this shade really goes very well with every makeup look. So even if you have like a very summer makeup look, or like a sultry smoky eye like we have going on here, or even like a no makeup look, I think this color really suits every skin tone and every occasion. It is not that kind of oily type of cream product. It just adheres very well into my skin. Even though I already set it with powder earlier, it doesn't cake up and it just deposits the right amount of color. This is the Beautiful Color Moisturizing Lipstick in the shade Breathless, number 31. Look at the packaging, it's so posh and luxurious. Everything about Elizabeth Arden is so posh and luxurious. So it's just this very beautiful MLBB color. This shade is so beautiful, and likewise, I think it will go well with like every occasion. It's hydrating, it's pigmented, it's beautiful, easy to blend. And last but not least, this is the Elizabeth Arden Sheer Kiss Lip Oil. It's so cute. Look at this packaging. I think the packaging is just like 10 upon 10. It looks like this, and I chose the shade Nude Oasis because I want to kind of complement this lip color. It's just a very sheer lip oil that kind of just hydrates your lips, fill in the cracks, but give you that little bit of color. So this is the Elizabeth Arden Beautiful Color Bold Illuminating Liquid Highlighter. This is so intense. So it has a very interesting like packaging, and it has like a cool consistency. It's slightly moussey. It is so pigmented and really metallic color. This. For this, you want to be quite light-handed and careful, and only put it at the points where you really want to highlight. So like my nose, just the ball of my nose to give it that little bit more pinched look. My cheekbones. And likewise, even though this is a liquid product, it doesn't move the foundation and the blush that we applied earlier on. You can go really crazy with this, or you can just go light-handed. Alright guys, I think this is the final makeup look, what I would wear for a date night. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you happen to recreate it, please send some photos to me on Instagram. I would love to see them. If you enjoyed this tutorial and if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and join the fam. Talk to me in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!